So it looks like you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to either double or quadruple your sales for your clothing brand. And I'm here to let you know this is the right video to click on, so sit back and stay tuned. Now in this video, I will be breaking down a strategy that literally nobody talks about in the clothing brand space or even in the educational space when it comes to actually getting more sales. A lot of people either talk about getting a better website, or selling better quality products, but there's hidden things that most people have not been able to do because they may not have had the years in that I may have that could actually help you within your brand. All right, so with that being said, my name is Dantes Akram, and let's go ahead and jump into this video so I can show you guys exactly how you can start doubling and even quadrupling your sales for your clothing brand right now in 2023. All right, so let's jump into it. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and jump into my computer, and pretty shortly here you should be able to see my camera. All right, cool. So I'm gonna put myself all the way down here, and we're gonna move this out the way. Now, as you guys can see, we're inside of my computer right now, and the very first thing that I wanna let you guys know is that one of the best ways to really increase your sales, well, there's actually a couple different ways, okay? So I wanna break down all the different ways to actually do it. Now, the very first way to really increase your sales or increase the amount of money you're making within your clothing brand is to, number one, increase the prices. Now, obviously, when it comes to increasing the prices, you wanna make sure that the quality is there, you wanna make sure that the design work is there, and you wanna make sure that the customer service is there. You don't wanna just increase your prices without actually making sure that you can service these people the right way, but also make sure that the customer service is A1, okay? So the very first way is by increasing your prices. The second way is by doubling the amount of people who are coming to your website, AKA spending more money on ads, spending more money on Google ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, or even just posting more content or going viral more often, right? Now, what I've learned about this is that if you don't have the budget, it's a little bit harder. And if you're not posting content consistently, your odds of going viral is a lot smaller than the person who's consistently making content. The third way to actually increase your sales, we talked about increasing your prices, we talked about increasing the amount of people coming to your website, but the third thing is giving people more things to buy. So if you're selling a hoodie, then why not match it up with some shorts, or why not match it up with some flare pants, or why not match a shirt and shorts together? That's how you're going to get people to spend more money with you, okay? So there's a couple different variations of how you could go about each one of these things. Now I'll save that for another video, and if you guys do want that, let me know down below in the chat. However, these three things are three things that you want to keep in mind. Increasing your prices is probably going to be the easiest way to actually start increasing the amount of money you're making and even doubling your actual revenue. Now, the thing is when you're increasing your prices, you want to be aware of your conversion rate while doing so. So what I would test out is, number one, when you're starting this test it out over 1 week. Okay, so change the price of your best-selling product for 1 week and see how big of a change it makes to your conversion rate. That would be the very first way. The second way is you can test it out over a longer period while trying to focus on getting more people to your website. That way you can have more accurate data, but I do suggest going off of 1 week. All right, but now in this YouTube video, we're gonna be talking about the best strategy to start doing so without even using any one of these three options that I just talked about right now. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump back into my computer. And right now we are in Shopify. This is one of our Shopify websites that we have not launched yet. However, I wanted to use this as an example to show you guys a Shopify app that is about to completely change the game for you. Very first thing, obviously you probably already have your Shopify store. You probably already have everything set up. So this is nothing new to you. And if this is new to you, feel free to go ahead and click the subscribe button and also check out one of my recent YouTube videos walking you through Shopify, how to build your website, and a bunch of other videos out there. So hit that subscribe button if you need that info. Now, the very first thing we want to do is we want to go over to Lead Dino. Okay, now if you've never heard of this, it's probably going to be a game changer for your brand. Now, what a lot of people don't actually talk about is affiliate marketing, right? Like when people ask me, hey bro, how do I get rappers or brand ambassadors and things like that? This is probably going to be one of the best ways for you guys, not only to build a strong community around selling your items and your products and your brand, but also building a brand ambassador group or an affiliate team or affiliate army. And that's what I like to call this, an affiliate army. So we're going to go ahead and click on Lead Dino affiliate marketing. Now, the reason this is actually so important, as you guys can see, is that you can have unlimited affiliates for your brand, which are just people who are going to go out there and promote your business, right? So for example, let's think about it like this, right? Let's say you wanted to send an item to, some TikTok influencer who's going crazy. We'll just use the name Jeffrey, okay? Jeffrey's going absolutely crazy. You want him to review your items. You already messaged him, asked him if he could do like a video on your items or even just wear it, and that you would be willing to give him a percentage of the sales, right? So, Jeffrey says, yo, let's do it. You send him a couple items. He does a video on it, and then he even signs up for your affiliate program. Now, once he signs signs up, so he's gonna get a little link that he can use to send to customers, send to friends, add to his bio, all these different places, right? And then that's how people are gonna be able to come in and start shopping, but he'll be automatically distributed his pay. Now, the reason Lead Dino is so important and the best of the best is because there's really no other platform that will allow you to not only manage the brand ambassadors or the affiliate marketers that you have, but it also allows you to dictate the percentages of what each individual gets, and you can automatically pay people out through PayPal or even just having it come out of your Shopify Pay. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and install it, since I have not installed it yet on this specific brand website right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and download it really quick. Give me 1 second and we'll jump right back into the video once it's downloaded. All right, guys, so here's what it looks like after I went ahead and downloaded it. Obviously, we do have a 30-day free trial, but the very first thing you want to do is you want to go over to the dashboard. And once you go into the dashboard, this is where the important part is, okay? Now, this can literally double, quadruple, or even higher numbers for your business. The reason being is because now you're getting other people to promote your brand, but there's an incentive for them to do so. So, for example, if you just sent me an item, there's really no incentive for me to like go out of my way to make sure that, you know, this is obviously set up for you. However, if you sent me an item and said, yo, bro, if you promote this for me and I really like the piece, I'll give you 50-60% of each and every sale that comes in. You can literally give me a link. I can go sign up and manage my account. Now, that's one of the best parts about this as well, is that as soon as somebody signs up, they will be able to manage their account, keep track of how many commissions they have coming in, and you will see the complete back end of everything. Now, they even have a reporting system, so that way you're able to see how many visitors, how many leads, and how many customers and how many purchases came in for each and every person. Now, if you wanted an automatic affiliate invitation, you can literally click go here and you can start having these sent out immediately after somebody, you know, comes to your website or gives you their email or their phone number. Okay, now that's one of the very unique parts that I really like about this. You can add a delay to it. However, what I would recommend is setting up this on your website. Okay, now if we head over to website, right, and we go over to settings, we will be able to add this as a portion of our website. So on the homepage, for example, or if you just wanted it to have one of those menus that you guys can select, so say like men, women, and then it will say affiliate program, you can obviously add those to your website and it'll directly you know, integrate and show them this page right here where people are going to be able to sign up for your affiliate program, right? So preview your affiliate website. This is exactly what it looks like, right? So once somebody comes in, so we'll just use you know, any password. Once somebody comes in and get that link, here's your referral link. So this is the link that somebody's going to be able to get so they can start promoting your items. Now it also shows them the progress, how many people signed up, how many people have made money, or how many people have spent money, and on top of that, your payments and when you receive those things. And then that's what the affiliate marketer sees. You see everything else, all of this stuff on the back end. Again, all of the dashboard options, how much traffic's coming in for each and every person. When somebody actually signs up, the affiliate join, you can see all of those different things. And again, you can manage your account and pay out everybody simply by using this. Now, again, the reason this is so important is because nobody talks about it, number one. But number two, if you're a little bit newer to this, then this stuff may be a little bit more complicated, or it may seem like, why would I add that right now? But if you look at this from a standpoint of, if you're already running ads, you're already posting content, why are you not having your friends promote your brand? If you're on a college campus, why are you not having people around you promote your brand and then paying them? It doesn't hurt you. And the thing is that you're getting sales from people who you normally would not get sales from. Think about it. If somebody else promoted it to their audience and you don't have any type of, you know, way to get to that specific audience outside of ads, then you're doing yourself a huge service by giving this item to somebody, having them promote it, and then there being a incentive behind it. Now, even though the person may get 40% or 30% or even 50% for however much they bring in, it's still money that you wouldn't have made if that customer or that client or that person who's like affiliating for your brand wouldn't have posted it. Now, this can easily double, triple, quadruple. We can even do more than that if you're really on top of it. So what I would recommend to actually add on top of this is a Discord community for your clothing brand. Now, the reason this is important is because you can, you know, have updates for them at any given time. You can do giveaways for your brand. You can keep up with your clients and your customers. It'll be easier for you to get reviews back from them. But on top of that, it'll be easier for you to do drops and have a community full of people who are solely focused on your clothing brand. Now, people actually sign up for these things, so I do recommend it. It's not too hard to make a Discord server for it. However, the reason I say this is because if you have a Discord server open for it and you have a channel, all you have to do is insert the link for them to sign up for the affiliate program. And then as people come in, they can sign up for your affiliate program and then go out there and promote your brand. Now, you're literally gonna have an army of you. Now, think about it like this. If you had 10 other people who are just as excited about your product as you, but are also promoting it, why can't you 10x the amount of traffic that's coming in, or even 10x the amount of sales that are coming in if they have strong audiences, right? So if you've never heard of Lead Dino, this is very, very important. Again, I'll switch back over into it right now just so you guys can see it. But again, this is very, 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 very important. And again, there you go. So as you guys can see right here, again, this is the dashboard and everything that I already showed you guys. You can manage your account. You can add additional apps in here if you want to. It's all automatically connected to your Shopify as well. And if I actually didn't even know this, for affiliate payments, you can pay them out through Coinbase. You can pay them out through PayPal. They have other integrations that you can obviously add in as well. If you wanted to have certain types of content for your affiliate army, you can have those as well. So what I would recommend is if you're going to do a drop, or if you're going to have a new collection or a Black Friday sale, you can send this out to your entire affiliate army. And then they'll know that, hey, I should be promoting this drop that's coming up so I can make some more money as well. Now, this is a very, very important gem right here. If you guys did like this, let me know, because I've never heard anybody talk about Lead Dino. And I do believe that this is the one secret that you probably needed to add to really increase the amount of sales that you're getting. However, if you're a person, if you're a brand owner and you already have your brand and you already have customers and clients, this is a really, really easy way to start bringing in more sales quickly. So if you just email this out that you have an affiliate program or you're building an affiliate army, if you email and text it out, you can instantly start getting some people to sign up for your affiliate army and start promoting your products for you. So this is just one way without spending any extra money outside of $50 a month to get more sales for your clothing brand. And even if you have any other type of brand that's out there, even if it's not just a clothing brand or shorts or jewelry, whatever it is, you can also still use Lead Dino. And the reason this is important for somebody else to sign up for, because they don't have to hold any inventory, they don't have to ship the stuff out, they don't have to deal with any customer service. They can just make money by promoting you. And that's a simple life and an easy life for a lot of creators, and that's the way that they probably want to do it anyway. So it's your boy The Real Tez, and really quick, what I do need you to do real quick is make sure you guys hit the thumbs up, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, and comment down below what YouTube video do you guys want next from me. I know this is one that nobody asked for, but I feel like is a secret gem that nobody's ever talked about, so I wanted to go ahead and make it. And on top of that, if you feel like there's going to be another video that I can make that can be extremely valuable for you, just let me know so I can go ahead and make a video on it. And if you guys like these videos at my desk inside of the computer, also let me know down below, and make sure you do not be scared to share this video with a friend who may need to hear this. All right, so it's your boy The Real Tez. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at @_TheRealTez. All of my social media and everything will be down below in the description. Make sure you guys check out Limitless Investments. It is the #1 Discord community around building clothing brand owners just like yourself into 5-6 figure owners within their business. All right, so it's your boy Dantez Akram, and I will catch you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace out.